I'm Ariel Ellinson and we will learn Photoshop in less than a minute. Let's start. Time is running out. If you've seen a photo with a nice font which you wanted to use yourself, it could take you hours just to look around the web to find something similar. Well, not anymore. With Photoshop CC, you could just select the area in which the text is located and use Type Match Font. Photoshop will find a similar font from the installed fonts on your system and even suggest other fonts from Adobe Typekit library. If needed, the fonts will be installed in your machine without leaving Photoshop. Oh, and by the way, if you already have a font and you want Photoshop to give you a similar alternative, you could just press the Show Similar Font in the font selection menu. And that was Photoshop in less than a minute.